A psychologist named Royal Burpee in the 1930s first developed Burpees. He wanted to develop a fitness assessment tool for gauging a person's physical fitness. It later became popular during the Second World War, where the American Army adopted the tool as a physical fitness assessment tool for recruits. Burpees are full-body workouts under a functional fitness that involves squats, planks, and jumps mashed together and performed repeatedly and quickly. Today, we'll be talking about the consequences of performing 100 burpees every day. It is an effective way of burning fat. Studies have shown that high-intensity training exercises such as burpees are an effective way of burning fat, especially in the abdomen. Studies have also shown that these exercises also burn up to 50% more fat than strength training. They have also been known to accelerate metabolism, so more calories are burned during the process. It boosts cardio fitness. Burpees are part of a high-intensity training exercise which requires high oxygen consumption. It drives up your heart rate, hence boosting cardiac performance. Your heart and lungs therefore work better to supply oxygen to the muscles. This provides you with several health benefits, including reduced risk for heart disease. Studies also show that those with cardiovascular fitness have a lower risk of developing coronary heart disease. Other cardio fitness benefits include improving brain function, lowering blood pressure, improved blood flow, lowered risk of diabetes, and improved cholesterol levels. Burpees are also responsible for strengthening the heart and lungs. Build strength. Burpees work the most number of muscles at once. After a few hundred of these, you will feel your muscles burning. This means that burpees slowly build strength in the muscles. It brings about functional fitness. It helps with fat loss and strength building. It also helps you perform better when it comes to daily living activities. This includes walking to the market to get groceries or using the stairs in your building instead of the lift. Burpees build endurance so your mind and body are accustomed to being functional at all times. It is cheap. You do not need a gym membership for this one, and the results are just as good or even better. It is convenient as well, as it can be done from the comfort of your home. No equipment is required. You can add them to almost any workout. Since burpees are fast-paced and vigorous, you can incorporate 100 burpees a day in your daily workout and do different variations for better results. Works a range of muscles. Burpees will work your hamstrings, glutes, quads, shoulders without you having to lift weights. It targets the large muscles in your body, and all these mentioned earlier are worked on with a single burpee. It will even build your abs. Time saver. With burpees, you can get your heart rate up within a short period, especially when you are looking to get some quick exercises in. Because you're short on time, they are also done with a speed with very short breaks, hence saving on time. Decreases your risk of early death. Recent studies have shown that partaking in vigorous exercises like the 100 burpees a day challenge will significantly reduce your early death risk. It eliminates the risk of developing chronic illness like chronic heart failure and diabetes. Builds your endurance. Burpees improve cardiovascular performance and build mental and physical strength and readiness for a stressful experience such as running a marathon or even hiking. So, this brings us to the conclusion of today's video. Let us know if you're going to take the 100 burpees a day challenge and how it works out for you. Till then, hope to see you in another video.